Hi, today I'm part of Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So open first the settings and then scroll down to the advanced. Here scroll more down and tap the screen recorder section. Click here to the quality and switch medium to high or low. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find the screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and by the same way, here tap to the quality and switch medium to low or high one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.